What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something different in store for you. We are gonna do some R&D on these cars. This is the BMW M5 CS, the F90 generation and a 550e from the G60 generation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring a 3D scanner and we're gonna 3D scan the underside of the car, which means we will have the 3D data of how the underside of the car looks like. And with that data, it means we can develop a new exhaust for these cars. So why are we doing an M5 CS? Of course, these cars are really rare, but we will be developing a new midpipe for these cars. So from a certain model year, these cars in Europe have a different flange connection on the midpipe, which means the midpipe of the 2019 versions, for example, do not fit on the LCIs. And the LCIs are quite popular. We can combine the exhaust, for example, with an Akrapovic, but for this exhaust, for this car, we'll develop a full DCE Parts exhaust from front to back, and that midpipe can be ordered in stainless steel or, of course, titanium. And with titanium, you will be able to connect that midpipe to an Akrapovic exhaust, because Akrapovic does not supply the midpipe right now, which means we will be supplying a complete package in titanium. So if you opt for an Akrapovic rear muffler, you will be able to order a titanium midpipe that suits the OPF versions of cars, the facelift ones, with the flange bolt connection. And of course, we can also supply a full titanium exhaust, just like on our BMW M8. The M8 is a pre-facelift type slip-on exhaust, but on this car, it is a flange type, which means we have to develop a new midpipe to make it fit. So I will show you what the underside of the car looks like. We will prepare the car for 3D scanning, which means we have to put on some reference points on the car to be able to scan the underside, because the scanner does require some reference points to properly measure the bends, the curves, and then yeah, we'll be able to develop a 3D model and make sure that it works. So this is the exhaust from the F90 M5 CS. This is a different type of exhaust compared to the standard M5, but the fitment of where the pipes are should be the same as the competition and non-competition. So here we are. These are the OPFs. So here in the middle, this midpipe, new midpipe, has sensors in the middle. There's a secondary O2 sensor there, another secondary cat. So this is the culprit. This means that our original midpipe that we have from DCE Parts does not fit because it's a slip-on connection. Normally, the OPF connection sits somewhere around this area on the downpipe. So they switched that around. They even changed the downpipes. So that is why we must develop a new exhaust. Yeah, and this is the flange connection we are talking about. This is a little bit different compared to the 2019 models with OPFs. So yeah, we'll be scanning this full car here, and then we know what to do with the midpipe section. Same with the area around here. So that should look the same. So there we are. We are at Performance Shop Geel with the BMW M5. It's the LCI model, which means on the OPF models we have a new midpipe scanned on an M5 CS and then produced to make it fit onto the competition models as well. So that is the new flange type design. Already had downpipes for it, but now we also have the catback exhaust. So as you might have noticed, it's a special design, so it's an X pipe, making the V8 sound more traditional, gives it a more racy sound, and on the regular car, the only crossover point is this resonator in the back. So we will also be deleting the OPFs over there, and also change the downpipes in the front. Of course, on the back there will also be a new rear muffler, which can be fully opened.